Hello everyone. Welcome to another video of this channel. In this video we are going to talk about top 10 incredible machines in the world. Our planet is still not covered with roads wherever we go. Sometimes cars, military or other special vehicles need to cross a difficult terrain. Without roads the situation is even more difficult, if the vehicle is not designed to drive in cross-country conditions, and can't overcome even small areas. In such cases, Access Roadway Kit comes to the rescue in its original form. Number 10. JCB 560/80 Telescopic Loader. It spreads the roll directly in front of it, creating an optimal surface on the go. Moreover, it can stretch for tens of kilometers when the roll runs out, so it can be replaced with a new one. The workers fasten the parts of the road surface manually with separate short pieces. The video shows the installation of an elastic road produced by the British brand for Trackway. The system of course is not disposable. When the road surface is no longer needed, it can be easily and quickly disassembled and put back into rolls. It is noteworthy that you can build more than just roads. It can also be used to create a variety of sites like helipads. Number 9. Aquipta RB4000. Cleaning up construction debris can be a long, difficult and unpleasant task, but not if you have the Aquipta RB4000 cargo trailer from the American company Equipped. A unique feature of this equipment is the built-in elevator, which allows you to raise the cargo container to the desired height up to 3.6 meters. This is ideal if the construction debris is thrown out of a window on this second floor, all from the roof. The lifting capacity is 1,800 kilograms, and the trailer can also be used as an elevator for building materials. Number 8. Largest tunnel boring machine Bertha. Bertha was designed and manufactured by Hitachi Zosen Sakai Works of Osaka, Japan, and is the world's largest earth pressure balanced tunnel boring machine, a cutterhead diameter of 57.5 feet 17.5 meters across. The machine was 326 feet 99 meters long and weighed 6,700 short tons 6,100 t. On December 22, 2015 at 12:30 am, the machine resumed digging 1.5 feet 0.46 meters through sand poured into the recovery pit. By January 4, Bertha had traveled 1,098 feet 335 meters of its planned 9,270 foot long 2,830 meters route from Sodo to South Lake Union. Bertha broke through the concrete access vault and began digging through normal soil. The front end of the machine was lowered back into the access pit for reassembly in a 4-lift process, beginning with the repaired cutter drive on August 24, 2015. What happened to Bertha, the tunnel boring machine? After 4 years, Seattle's giant tunneling machine finally breaks through. Bertha has broken through. After dropping into a pit in July 2013, it started digging the tunnel that will hold the replacement for the Alaskan Way Viaduct, an elevated highway that was partly demolished after being damaged by a 2001 earthquake. Number 7. Biggest dump truck Bell AZ 75,710. Belaz 75,710, with a payload capacity of 496 t, is the biggest mining dump truck in the world. The ultra-heavy dump truck was launched by the Belarusian company Belaz in October 2013 under an order from a Russian mining company. The cost of the world's largest dump truck BELAZ 75710 with a payload capacity of 450 tons is $7.5 million. The Bell AZ 75,710 has a conventional 2-axle setup, but the wheels are doubled, 4 to an axle, like a scaled-up International Payhauler 350. For this reason it needs 859/80ths R63 tires. It also has 4-wheel drive and 4-wheel hydraulic steering, which is unusual. It is the world's largest, highest payload capacity haul truck. Number 6. HEM 593R Cobra. He was a professional truck-mounted wood chipper designed for processing bushes and trunk timbers. This is the HEM 593R Cobra, produced by the German company. Yet this machine can cope with large and medium tasks, grinding wood waste to small particles. The ATM 593R Cobra is an excellent piece of equipment, much more productive than machines used before. Its performance is astonishing. It can produce up to 270 cubic meters of processed wood in 1 hour. Pay attention to the large feed opening measuring 140 by 68 centimeters. This feature extends the range of tasks that the HTM 5.3 or Cobra is able to tackle. Number 5. The Farmbot. Every year more people refuse to buy fruits and vegetables. Instead, they prefer to grow their own food. Earlier such intentions were difficult to realize. Taking care of your garden takes a lot of energy and time, and many people don't have enough to spare. Luckily today, advanced technologies and robots can help you. Farmbot is an amazing project developed by American specialists. It's a tiny vegetable garden where a robot takes care of the plants. The user only has to control the process through the mobile application and enjoy the harvest. The robot itself plants the seeds in the ground, and it's smart enough to understand and remember what kind of plants it was. The developers have created a detailed database with a variety of herbs, vegetables and fruits. It also has information about the frequency of watering and other features important for cultivation. Farmbot uses this information to take care of the plants. It gives each seedling the exact amount of water it needs at the most appropriate time. Even though the garden is pretty small, it can hardly be considered a. So it plants the seeds, making the most of the space. Cameras and a variety of sensors make it possible to monitor soil moisture, its composition and remove weeds in time. The device uses all the information it gathers to grow the plugs more efficiently. Number 4. Fat Truck 2.8C. The next item on our list doesn't need any special access routes. The 3.8C is a vehicle from the Canadian company Fat Truck, capable of driving anywhere. Just take a look at this incredible industrial ICU and you'll see that there are simply no limits for it. This vehicle is useful when the working object is in a remote, inaccessible place, and you need to get people or materials there. It's most needed for the construction of wind farms, laying pipelines, power lines and telecommunications. The Fat Truck 2.8C can carry loads weighing up to 4,850 kilograms. New, today's last piece of equipment will be especially appealing to professional builders. Number 3. Mule, with a pretty simple function to pick up and move concrete blocks from place to place. Their weight can reach 40 kilograms. For example, it is quite a heavy load, and therefore the use of the lift greatly increases the speed of concern production. Tests have shown that Mule has increased productivity at the construction site by as much as 400%. The maximum weights the machine can withstand is 61 kilograms. This feature plus the universal grip allows to work not only with concrete blocks, which is definitely an advantage. Number 2. Electric circular saw. A circular saw is a power saw using a toothed or abrasive disc or blade to cut different materials using a rotary motion spinning around an arbor. A hole saw and ring saw also use a rotary motion but are different from a circular saw. Circular saws may also be loosely used for the blade itself. Circular saws were invented in the late 18th century and were in common use in sawmills in the United States by the middle of the 19th century. A circular saw is a tool for cutting many materials such as wood, masonry, plastic, or metal, and may be handheld or mounted to a machine. Circular saws are commonly powered by electricity, but may be powered by a gasoline engine or a hydraulic motor, which allows it to be fastened to heavy equipment, eliminating the need for a separate energy source. Number 1. VZ950. In nature, the element Titan is a symbol for stability, reliability, and durability with comparatively low weight. These characteristics were the decisive specifications for the development of the new machine generation. In order to guarantee the widest possible range of applications with the best results, we are offering a new variant for processing waste, waste wood, green waste, and minerals, in addition to the further developed option for metal shredding. You can have the ultimate slow-speed shredder in a portable package with the VZ950 Titan. Grind, crush and shred ceramic, metal, wood and more, all from a single machine. Special shaft geometry positions material into the perfect position for processing, then secondary double jaw breakers work with breaker bars to help operators achieve a more uniform final product size. In short, the 700 horsepower VZ950 Titan is the ultimate universal shredder on the market today. Please like this video and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Stay connected with us for more videos like this. Take care of yourself. Soon we will meet in another video like this. Thanks.